All right, YouTube, here we go. All right, there's that Thursday. So we got exactly what we wanted. I wanted to see Thursday look like this, but it's a lot more going on than you guys really. But I want to show it. I'm going to show it to you. All right. First of all, let's start off with let's highlight that. I want to highlight that range low again. Highlight that range low. Remember, I said that Thursday, just like that Wednesday, it cannot be below this line, this range low. Just like, see how Wednesday could not be below it? Well, we had a retracement, but right here, when we had the second retracement, man, price was not going nowhere near that range low, man. She could not, it was no way in hell she was going to make it below that range low. All right. I just want to show you guys that. All right. And like I said, for what we want to see for that Thursday, we want to see open and retrace. That's what we have, a retracement. She did a retracement to a nice little decent area and gave a position for everybody that bought just a simple retracement. Anybody that bought this, and we did, I know we did. I want to give you a lot more, but man, for free, come on, man. Just trust me, man. Come to 12 trades. Anybody that bought this position right here got paid out at the run of this high right there. When price came back and came respected that range low, she could not go nowhere near that range low, man. And boom, just like I told you, that bottle rocket, boom, boom. She had not just this right here, but also that retracement and another move. That's that rocket from probably that range low, like what I was telling you guys. All right. I want to say that from this position, I know we said, hey, man, Thursday is going to, pay out, it's going to save these guys' ass. All right. This is what I'm talking about. It did not do that. A new day retracement can blow through a previous day logic and retracement. We had a position here where they stopped down there. Price had blew through that and killed this position. Normally, we like just like yesterday, I would say price is going to retrace and then it's going to pay out this position as it did. It did retrace and it did pay out that position, but it retraced too far and killed this position right there. So I can't give it the credit of paying out and pulling these people out right there because it killed them before it did it. All right. But our first position for that Thursday was that anybody who bought that simple retracement, they got paid out at the run of this range right here in that candle. But I wanted to say right here when I had that line drawn right there, all right, that was the second position right there. So anybody who bought the retracement, anybody who missed that retracement, the second one was at their range low, and that payout was up here. That payout was right there. That was the second position. The third one was a bearish one because price kept running. It kept running. It never retraced. So we was like, hey man, I'm gonna sell this bear, and we did right here, man. I sold that bear. Man, I would show you this signal. You come to 12 trades, you will learn that signal with no problem. But we got that bear. We sold that bear on the fly. That thing was quick. But we was waiting. We was looking for this retracement to come down right here. And like I say, brothers, to the close of that candle right there, and it didn't. It started to become a bull again, and continued to be a bull, and did what she was intended to do. It was to be in these areas. That's where she was supposed to be. That Thursday had to be up here in this area, this structure low. All right, that's what we want to see. So tomorrow we want to see Friday do the same thing. Open, give us a bearish retracement. Hang out in this area and be a bear for the day. And not only that, next week, Monday should give us a bearish week. Every day should be a bear. It's gonna follow that Monday. It's gonna be a bear, 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 and bear. All right. That's what we want, YouTube. Come to 12 trades. Holla at me. Peace.